So just want to do a quick video talking about Etoro. The boss made me, talk about this because we're looking to invest some money into this. So we are currently in the process of finding which brokers are the best. So there's going to be kind of like a little series on the site coming out talking about kind of like which place to put your money. I'm in the UK, so I'm going to be basing it around that, but I'm also basing it internationally and seeing where we can, put some money without worrying about it too much. But yeah, first things first, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to SeixyTV.
So the website that we're doing today is that one over there, because I have magic powers and I can do that. Oh yeah, baby. Etoro. So yeah, so the first place where we're going, right, it's etoro.com, right? So this is Etoro. This is the website, right? Extremely easy platform to get started within trading. They're kind of tricky in the way that they charge fees, but it's an interesting one, right? They're actually like very easy way to get set up and kind of get going. So there's no commission on the stocks, but there is a spread. And that's something that you gotta consider, right? Depending on what you're trading, if you're trading ETFs or indices or stocks, you kind of gotta pay attention. Each one has like a different spread, so that's something that you gotta take into account. They also have margin trading, which is the ways that they make money, which makes me trust them a little bit more. But yeah, when we go into the website, there's a couple of ways you can log in. You can actually create an account with the sign up right here. You have Google, Facebook, right? You can log in with those. I log in with my Google account, right? And it's that simple, right? Like you don't have to remember as long as you have your account linked into here. This is the website, right? Like right now I don't have any money on it because we're still analyzing the places where we're gonna put our money. I already got verified, which is extremely nice. It didn't take too long to get verified, so it's a plus for that. But if we go to my virtual portfolio, I've been trading with them for a while, and just because I wanted to test the market, practice, and all that different stuff. Currently right now I'm 8% down from my initial investment, which is actually beating the market, so hey, plus. But yeah, so this is a sort of thing that you can expect. So when you can have your watch list that allows you to see what stocks you're looking at, right? Like for example, the ones that some people are talking about currently is Clorox, Zoom, Teladoc, right? We can see kind of like the growth of the day, week, monthly charts and all that different, shenanigans. If you're a trader, you know what I'm talking about. Now you can also see your portfolio and the allocation, right? So you can go for stocks, see what you have, right? Then you can go for indices, all that good stuff, currencies that you can trade, and ETFs. They offer a wide variety. I wouldn't say that they're the best in terms of variety and kind of like diversification, but again, it's more than enough for the entry-level trader, right? You also have a news feed. This is also a social media of sorts, right? It's almost like a Facebook for traders. So there's people always talking about whatever's going on. They tag the things that they're investing in. You can actually go into their profiles, keep an eye out on what the portfolio is based around, right? Or you can see their positions and everything that they're doing, right? So it's kind of like put your money where your mouth is in that sense. Yeah, you can have options to trade the markets. Again, you can have crypto, ETFs, stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies, which is very, very nice. Now, the interesting thing about it, and why I think everybody should pay attention to this, is this simple, right? It's this simple mechanism that allows you to copy other traders, right? So let's say you find somebody that you're interested in copying their trades. So for example, this guy in the past 7 days has made 37%. This guy, 215%, right? Obviously, the risk level and risk factors have something to play with, but depending on what you're looking for, you can actually do, right? You can actually trade with these people and kind of look at what the benefit is, right? So for example, this guy has been mostly green for a long time. Lately he's been kind of benefiting a lot. You can actually see his position where he's at, right? He's trading a little bit of cryptocurrency. He's also in Tesla. So these are important things that we can take into account. So for example, if you know somebody that's trading within this website, you can actually copy and mimic their trades just by putting the same amount of money as the person is putting. Obviously, I believe that they do make a small commission depending on how many people follow them, right? So that's also something to take into account, because we can also benefit the people that are, kind of at the helm of the operation. But yeah, I mean, so far in terms of fees, right? Like we have that spread. Obviously, if we go, for example, if we were to go to the QQQ, we go trade, right? Like if you buy and sell, there's a spread obviously right here. It's not that massive, but obviously they make money different ways. So for example, if you were to sell, there is some fees, overnight fees that you have to deal with because you're actually borrowing money from, or you're borrowing stocks from them, right? And you have to have, when you're trading this sort of things, right? Because when you're selling, you're actually selling their stock, and then you're placing that position. Whenever you buy the stock, there's no fees, as you can see, right? For day trading, it seems like an extremely good opportunity. Just if you're playing, like, you know, as long as if you take into account the spreads in your formula to kind of like figure out where you're buying, where you're selling, then it's an important, then it's actually a beneficial one. Obviously, depending on what you're trading, there's fees that incur. For example, I know that in cryptocurrency, there's some fees if you're looking to take your money out. There's a $5 withdrawal fee that you have every time you want to withdraw money. So those things add up. So in theory, if we're looking to put money into here, then we have that option. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like in Etoro, I mean, so far, again, like I've only done some virtual trading. I'm about to put some money in. So if you're interested, click the subscribe button down there. Leave a comment below if you think I should cover, what should I cover next? And yeah, like this is kind of big man money, you know. If I believe right now it's an extremely good time to join the market, just because of long-term potential. Like we wanted a recession and now it's here, so it's a great time to put some money in, you know. But yeah, stay tuned for more, and yeah, hit that thumbs up if you find it interesting, and stay goddamn sexy, people. Oh, right. Second fucking take. Because the first one didn't have any sound. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3, baby. All right.